Empower and FloatMe both offer cash advances before payday, but they take different approaches to helping you manage short-term cash shortages. Choosing the right one depends on whether you want extra banking features or a simple advance app. By the end of this video, you'll know how Empower and FloatMe compare, who each app is best for, and which one is the better fit for your everyday finances. If you want an app that combines cash advances with digital banking and money management features, Empower is usually the stronger choice. If you only need occasional small advances and prefer a straightforward experience, FloatMe may be the better option. Start with the main feature most people care about: cash advances. Both apps are designed to help users bridge the gap between paychecks without using a traditional payday loan. To qualify, you'll need to connect your bank account and meet each app's eligibility requirements. Approval depends on your banking history and account activity, so not every user receives the same offer. The next difference is what happens after you qualify. Empower is built as more than a cash advance app. It also includes banking-related features and financial tools that help users manage spending and everyday money. If you want one app that handles multiple parts of your financial life, that broader feature set can be useful. FloatMe keeps things much simpler. Its focus is helping users handle temporary cash shortages without adding a long list of extra services. If you prefer an app that's easy to understand and mainly exists for occasional paycheck gaps, FloatMe's approach may be more appealing. Speed is another factor worth checking before you need money. Both apps offer ways to receive funds, but delivery time can vary depending on your bank, your account status, and the transfer option you choose. Always review the estimated arrival time inside the app before confirming an advance, especially if you're trying to pay a bill the same day. You should also think about how often you'll use the app. Someone who regularly wants budgeting tools, account features, and ongoing financial support may get more value from Empower. Someone who only needs emergency cash once in a while may appreciate FloatMe's simpler experience instead. The choice comes down to your priorities. Empower is the better all-around option if you want cash advances plus additional financial features. FloatMe is a solid pick if your goal is a straightforward app for covering short-term cash gaps without extra complexity. Before signing up, compare each app's current eligibility requirements, transfer options, and membership terms so you know exactly what you're getting. If this comparison helped you, like the video and subscribe for more honest app comparisons.